household her assembly. And when the sun goes down, her voice among the isles incites the timid prayers of the minutest cricket, the most unworthy flower. When all the children sleep, she turns as long away as will suffice to